Before you can run Autocrat, you need to set up your Google slide or document and include your merge tags. This right here is a merge tag. So you can see first name, and on both the beginning and the end of it, it has the angle brackets. The merge tag then looks in your spreadsheet for that column name, and that's the information that'll be placed in this spot. So if you look here, I have first name and last name. So if I come to my Google Sheet with my data that I want to put into the certificate, you'll see my row 1 column headers match those merge tags. So let's go ahead and add this one here. So I'm going to actually copy the words right from here. That helps sometimes to make sure that you have the exact same title, because it will not work if you don't. And then I'm going to come down here, and where it says nominated by, I'm going to select this first, and I'm just going to Control D to duplicate that so that it keeps my same formatting. And then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to add the 2 angled brackets, and then I'm going to paste in my title from the column header, put in the other 2 angle brackets at the end. So now when I run Autocrat, it will put whatever is in this nominated by column in that exact spot on the Google slide. If you also want to include the month and year, you would do the exact same thing. So again, I'm going to just Control D duplicate this because I want to keep my formatting the same. And then I'm going to come in here, keep those first 2 angle brackets, add the 2 at the end, put however much space you want in between those, and then add year and my 2 angled brackets. Same thing for a document. So if you look, here is a document. I want all this data to print out on this document so you can see all the different merge tags that I have here for student ID, their ELA score, their ELA level. So anywhere I want something to appear from the spreadsheet, I would put the merge tag. So when you come and look at this spreadsheet, you can see my titles in row 1 will match the document here. So that is the first thing, is to get set up your document and your slide with your merge tags.